We're dying to show you this recipe. Today, we're making these adorable Halloween popcorn dirt cakes. Let's get started. You can use any container, but we managed to snag these cauldrons from the witch next door. Whatever you use, make sure to line them with tinfoil to keep things food safe. First, pop about 1/4 cup of Dell Cove Spices Scary Movie Graveyard Black Popcorn in a clear oil like vegetable or coconut. We want that popcorn to come out white, just like little rocks. Next, using a food processor, crush your chocolate sandwich cookies until they are fine powder. Then, in a bowl, add cream cheese, softened butter, powdered sugar, and beat together until combined. Now whisk together 2 packages of vanilla pudding mix with 3.5 cups of milk. When it's smooth, whisk in your whipped topping. Finally, fold your cream cheese mixture into the pudding mixture. Time to layer. Start with a base of crushed cookie dirt, then add a layer of your pudding mix. Keep layering until your cauldron's full. Just make sure you start and end with cookie crumbs. For the finishing touch, add your popcorn rocks on top and throw in some gummy worms for that extra creepy factor. You can really get creative here. We're adding some candy gravestones and bones for that ghastly touch. Chill in the fridge until it's time to serve. And there you have it. Popcorn dirt cakes ready for any Halloween occasion. Spooky, delicious, and probably haunted. For more recipes, popcorn tips, gourmet seasonings, and more, head to delcospices.com.